Yeah, we're going to do it backwards. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, alright, I'm reusing a box. This box was once featured on an episode of the PEZ Book. Do you know which one? Please leave it in the comments below. And everybody else will go and watch that video to see the box in that video. Alright, so I'm going to mail something to somebody, and I have packaged this very, very well. I didn't use any tape. There we go, put it in the box. Now, the person told me be extra careful, make sure nothing happens to it, that everything's safe. So everything's nice and safe, but here's a little joke that I like to do. See that little space there in the box? There we go. So that way, when they get the box, yeah, it rattles. But then they're relieved to find, oh, I got some cool shoes. Just saying, way better than glitter and way better than tape. So until next time, who got this?